Hello and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video I'm going to share with you how you're going to be able to purchase your Redmagic device to a country that Redmagic don't ship. So in case you are in Western Africa, on some part of Asia, South Africa, and some part of Europe, Redmagic don't ship directly to those countries. And in this video I'm going to share with you how you're going to be able to do that. And if you're watching me from TikTok, I'm going to leave the link to the devices in my bio, so you tap on the link tree and then you go there. If you're watching me from YouTube, you can check the link in my description and then you're going to follow the video step by step and get to know how this is done. Let's check this out. All right, so the first thing you would have to do is you would need to go to this website right here, aliexpress.com, which I'm going to save you the hassle. I'm going to leave the link in my description, so in case you want to get it, you're going to go there directly. And the first thing you would need to do is you would have to sign in. You can easily sign in with your Google account. So with this one right here, you just come to this section right here and then you tap on Gmail and then you are going to be able to sign in. So after you pick the email you want to use and then you sign in, you're going to get this interface right here. That is the home page. And like I'm saying, I'm going to leave the link in my description and then you're going to be able to just tap on it. So you get to the page right here. And the reason why I'm going to leave the link in my description is because I want to save you guys from scammers. You can go to the pages and you're going to see some people selling the devices at cheaper prices than the one I'm suggesting for you guys. So you better be wary of wherever you are going to try buy this thing from. If it's not where I'm actually suggesting for you, don't make the move because you might get yourself scammed. Okay, so right now you can see on the screens right here we have the Redmagic original glass, and then we have the Redmagic 9S Pro, and then we have the Redmagic 10 Air, which is actually new and then got released not long ago. So you can see the price right here, which is $529. And what I'll urge you guys to do is, if in case you see this device and you want to buy it very quickly or very fast, because with time, when they see that people are actually trying to get a device, they try to increase the prices, and then it becomes some way you would have to wait for some months before they will bring it down. This is for people who are in regions that Redmagic do not ship directly. So in case you want to get it, you just tap on this section right here, buy now, and then you're going to make sure you input your address right here. So with this, you can just do that directly, and then also you put your bank card right here. It supports only bank card and then PayPal, depending on where you are, if PayPal is supported. And then you can just use your bank card, and then also you're going to come to this side and then pick on the delivery you want them to use. So with DHL, I think it's very okay. You can use DHL. If you want to check more options too, you can see FedEx right here and then AliExpress standard trading, but I'll urge you to use DHL because when you give them your number and then your location, DHL will call you directly and then bring their device to you or your package to you at your doorstep, like closest point. I have had an experience like that. So now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to tap on pay now, and then it's going to do the thing for you. I hope they don't charge me because I'm not waiting to buy this. So you're gonna get a screen like this, and then you're gonna be able to just do the necessary payments, and then voila, you are done. So you're gonna wait for a couple of days and then you're going to get your device. I'm not gonna lie, this is actually going to help you to get your device from Redmagic, and then you are going to enjoy your games. You can try other products too from them. In case you want to do the Redmagic Nova tablet, you can just do it. You can just purchase it from them. Anything you want to get, I'm actually going to leave the links in my description for you guys to be able to purchase. So if you're in Africa, like Western Africa and in Southern Africa where Redmagic doesn't ship, you can just use this link I'm going to provide in my description so that you're going to be able to just get your device. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to like it up and also share with your friends. And like always, I'm going to catch you in the next one. Peace.